Hello students, we are going to start with how to create a Word document. In this video, we are going to discuss how to start with a blank document and also the use of templates. So now I have started the Microsoft Word as seen in this video. So there are a few options available. You can start with the blank document, or you can start with the templates which are available in this MS Word templates. You can also search for more templates which are available in this program. They are ready to use templates, or you can connect your MS Word using the internet and also search for many different templates also. So we are going to start this with the blank document. So we are not going to use any templates. If you want to use templates, just again click on file. Then let's say I will start with the blue cover letter templates. So just click on create. Okay, and you can start with the templates. You need to be connected with the internet for this. So right now we are just going to use the blank document system, where you need to specify whatever you want to add and just by typing the templates. That's all in this video. Thank you.